Well, hey everybody, welcome to another episode with the Canning Nana. So I'm going to show you how I am decluttering my cans, my jars. And I know they are stacked 4 high. They are only stacked this high for a little bit as I am decluttering. So they're not staying like this. Please don't stack your jars more than 2 boxes high ever. These are fine for right now. They're only staying this way for just a little bit, and I've checked all the jars. Do not do this in your home. Do not store your jars like this. So, but what I am doing, I don't want all the jars. Well, they were all over my dining room. But these are going into another room where I'm going to store them on racks. Gone through everything. So, and trying to take inventory and see how many empty jars I have. So this is my food, not what's in my cupboard and not what's in my garage. This is what I have recently canned. So these are my empty jars. Empty jars over here. And then all of that, all of this these are my empty jars, and there's more over here. And there is more in the garage, you guys. So I'm trying to declutter where I had these because they were stacked in the kitchen too high, or 2 boxes too high. And I'm just trying to make space in my home. I have more over here that are going out. And like I said, these are just stacked for the time being. They've been stacked maybe an hour. And I will check them again. None of them have rings on, but I will check them again before I place them on the rack that I'm putting them on. So, but yeah, this is my food. And when I going through and taking inventory, I didn't realize how much chicken I had, or how much beans I had, or sauce. Have a lot of my baked beans, my Better Than Bush's baked beans. If you guys haven't watched that video, please go watch it. It's got a lot of views, and I get a lot of comments and a lot of emails about that. So it's really, really good. So I may do a what I will and will not can once I get all this going. And I have more stacked in the kitchen on my counter. So over here in my kitchen, I have some of my just staples that I'm going to be using. These are also empty jars right here. These are going to go out in the garage. My box of lemons, fresh lemons that I had someone give me. I'm going to be making a lot of lemon curd, and I will probably make a video of that. And then these 2 boxes right here are all, these are all black beans. Completely forgot I had a whole case of black beans, you guys. And these are all empty right here. But these are green beans and like a kind of a mixture. So my canning pots, my water bath canners are over here on this shelf. Yeah, I've just been going through a bunch of stuff to get rid of. I still have my other, my canning pot, and then my regular pots over here that have to get placed in here, and I will show you why I'm organizing. This shelf has all my dehydrated food. Here's some of my freeze-dried food, but this all needs to be organized. So I will show you guys the results after I do this. I use Herbalife. I was using it a lot years ago, and I have so much left, so I've been trying to use it up. This shelf is not the problem. This shelf. Everything gets thrown on this shelf, and it's so disorganized. Some of my my lids are up there. My Blendtec is up there, and I've never shown you guys this before. So this is how everything gets when I'm in a hurry, and it just needs to be cleaned. It's spring. I go through this every few months, but everything literally catch-all shelf right there. And a lot of my canning supplies are on here. So this is my microwave, my table. This is going to be moved over, so I'm going to have room over here. you'll see tequila bottles. We have people give us tequila bottles, and then my husband makes vases out of them, and glasses. So like these right here, Milagro. I've got my my lucky bamboo up here. So showing you guys a little bit of my kitchen that you guys really haven't seen. But yeah, this is my mess. So this will all be organized. Actually, all of this down here was already organized, but I had to put my jars back there. So, but these all have to be gone through and see what's really old. They're all sealed, but I need to go through them because I haven't been using my dehydrated food as fast as I have been using my freeze-dried food, which I absolutely love. And quick commercial, if you guys do not have a Thrive Life consultant, I am happy to be your consultant. The link will be in the description box below, and there's a huge sale going on. So, yeah. So between all of this, my food, my jars, my Thrive Life, my dehydrated, which is really not a lot anymore. This is really dwindled down. We have about 4 years of stored food that we can rely on if anything happens, including eggs and milk and all of that stuff. So I'm also going to take you guys on a tour of my garden. Once I get that done, I'll show you the before and the after, because my grapes have totally taken over my garden. Because if you remember my viewers from last year, I asked what you guys do with your grapevines, because mine, I didn't have anything to tie them back, so I still have to get a arch and then train them to go up the arch, because this year they are 2 years old and they're going to be giving us grapes. So yeah, gotta do that. And lemons, whatever I don't use, I have a video out on how to preserve your lemon juice for when you need it, and I will try to link that on here. The links probably will not be as soon as this video is released, so please come back probably later on this evening or tomorrow, and the links to the all the videos that I'm talking about are going to be in the description box. So yeah, do you guys have enough lids and stuff? I've got tons and tons of lids. I'll have to show you guys that next. I'm stocked up on lids. I'm stocked up on jars. There's, like I said, there's more jars in the garage. And yeah, just trying to go through everything. This is my sauerkraut pot that I use for sauerkraut right there. This has to be washed still. But yeah, so this is my stash. So back to all this, I've got to work fast. I've got to bring these out. My son is home today, so he's going to help me carry these out on this nifty cart that he bought me for my birthday. That is still in here. Look at this. He bought me this shopping cart that will help me move everything out. So pretty cool. And I have a lot of things from sponsors that I need to show you guys. Our frames that are going to be a lot of my Disney stuff for my Disney room is going to be put in there. And then all of these are also going to be put on the shelf. So thank you guys for watching. Okay, I accidentally stopped that video, so this is just like a continuation. So thank you guys for watching, and more videos to come, I promise. Life has just been super crazy lately. I have not canned anything in a couple months, few months probably. Yeah, it's been a crazy time. So I am going to get to canning, but first I'm going to be getting my garden growing, because it is almost end of April, you guys, and I'm late again, and I don't want to not have a garden because of all the prices going up. Yeah. So other things to stock up. If you guys like Watkins, I've been a Watkins consultant for over 40 years now. My oldest daughter is 42, and I became a Watkins consultant when she was a baby, very, very small. And I absolutely love their products. If anybody needs any products, any kind of Watkins or anything, please let me know. You can order directly, and I will include my link on here too. You guys know I do not promote anything I do not believe in, or that I don't use myself. So on that note, you know that these are good, high quality products. Anybody who knows Watkins, they're over 160 years old, I believe, company. I'd have to look it up. But yeah, like I said, I've been with them for a very, very long time. I have multiple consultants underneath me through the years, so that's one of my income venues, the Thrive Life. I love the Thrive Life food. We use it often, especially the onions and things. But yeah, the meats and everything comes in so much in handy. And now is the time to stock up with all of these tariffs and stuff going into effect, you guys. Plant a garden, do what you can to offset the costs of everything, and hopefully everybody will be okay when all the prices go up. So I will talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching, and word of the day is going to be organization. So comment the word of the day in the comment section for some of my Italian seasoning to be sent to you free of charge, and I will pick a random winner. Also going to do a giveaway when I do a live. I just have not had time because life has been crazy. So remember the word of the day, organization, comment in the comment section. I will see you guys soon. Watch for a chicken video coming soon. Our baby chicks are getting really, really big, and they're going to go outside soon. So thanks for watching, you guys. See you soon.